The Cake, written by Margaret Mahy, illustrated by David Coe. Mary's mother put some sugar into a bowl. "What's happening?" thought the sugar. "A moment ago, I was sitting around with the rest of the sugar in the sugar bowl. Now I have been chosen for something. I must be special, and this must be a special day." Then Mary's mother put some butter in with the sugar. "Hello," cried the sugar. "I can tell we're going to be friends." "How sweet of you," said the butter admiringly. Mary's mother turned on the electric mixer. Whirr went the mixer. "Listen," cried the butter, "they're playing our tune." "Shall we dance?" asked the sugar. The butter and the sugar danced together until they were so mixed up that you couldn't tell where the butter left off and the sugar began. Mary's mother beat up some eggs and put them into the bowl. "The more the merrier," cried the butter and the sugar. "Another friend to dance with." The eggs and the butter and the sugar danced together. Down came a soft rain. "Hello, everyone. Here I am," said the flour. "I'm here too," cried a funny little voice. It was the baking powder. The mixer sang its whirring song, and everyone danced together. "Where are we?" the butter asked the flour. "Who invited us?" asked the baking powder. "Something very exciting is going to happen, and we have been specially chosen," said the flour. Down came the currants, the raisins, and the cherries. "Don't forget us!" they cried. "What are we doing here?" asked a cheery cherry. "There must be a reason," declared a raisin. Whizz went the electric mixer. Then they were all turned upside down. "Let me help you out," offered the kindly wooden spoon. "Let me take you in," cried the round cake pan. "I'll give you a warm welcome," said the oven. They were all put into the oven together. "It's dark in here," said the eggs. "Warm, too," yawned the melting butter. "Which of us is which?" asked the flour. "I think I'll puff myself up," said the baking powder. "It's such a cozy oven." They were all quiet then, enjoying the cozy oven. No one spoke for a long time. Then, all of a sudden, a new voice spoke. It was an eggish, buttery, floury voice, sweet as sugar and cheery as a cherry. "I know what I am," it said. I am, but it couldn't quite think of the right word. Someone opened the oven. "Oh, Mom!" cried Mary. "What a beautiful cake!" "So that's what I am now," said the voice. "I'm a cake." Mary's mother frosted the cake. "Now I'm wearing my best coat," said the cake. Mary decorated the cake with candy sprinkles. "Now I'm wearing my jewels," said the cake. Mary's mother put 4 candles in the cake. "Now I'm wearing my crown," the cake cried. Mary's mother wrote on the cake. She wrote, "Happy birthday, Mary." "I knew I was special," cried the cake. "I'm a birthday cake. Hooray, hooray for birthday cake!" And that's just what Mary said, too. That was The Cake by Margaret Mahy and David Coe. And this is EDU Kidspace. Subscribe for more stories, books, and lessons. And don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified when I put out new books. If there's something in particular you'd like to learn about, leave me a message or send me a message on the channel. Thanks!